Be honest, every month you say, I will start investing, then payday hits and the money vanishes. That's not because you are lazy. Your money system is broken and it's bleeding through food, debit orders, and impulse swipes. And here's the twist. You don't need a big salary. You need a system that forces your money to behave. So in this video, I'm giving you 5 money moves to start investing even on a small income in South Africa. Not trading, not forex. A boring plan that builds a deposit fund, a bond buffer, and real assets. By the end, you know exactly what to do tonight without guessing. Here are the 5 moves. Save this video. Payday fixes cash flow. Tax-free savings account gives the path. 2 simple funds, ETFs, keep you consistent. Fees protect returns. Scams protect you. Real talk. Do move 1 and everything becomes easier. Most people do move 3, then wonder why investing doesn't work. Let's start with move number 1, Payday Split Automation. If you invest what is left at month end, you basically invest in nothing because life always sends an invoice. Food, transport, family, and your money has no bound. Let me be blunt. Your salary isn't the problem. Your salary has no instructions. New year, I'm Ekow, ex-investment banker, turned legacy builder. Property guy. I'll help you use money wisely so you can invest, especially in property. This is the part people miss. Property starts with payday, not property. So we flip it. On payday, money gets split automatically like a bouncer at a club. Your investment leaves first, then your bills, then your spending. So you don't negotiate with yourself when you are hungry. Discipline is overrated. Automation is the real discipline. If this is helping you, hit like so it reaches someone who's about to invest without a system and regret it later. Let's say you earn 12,000 rand. You think investing is for the rich people. Start with 300 rand or 500 rand automatically because the number isn't the power. The consistency is. Here's the thing. That deposit discipline quietly builds your buying power. If you don't fix this, you wake up at 40, still renting your life and blaming your salary. Inflation doesn't care that you plan to start. Bread, petrol, school fees, it gets more expensive every year. The truth, the biggest enemy is not the market, it's the delay. I used to say next month, and next month, I'd still spend it. Then I automated it. Money left before my feelings woke up. That's the cheat code. Automation makes you look disciplined. 1. Pick your payday split amount. 2. Set the debit order for the day after payday. 3. Non-negotiable. Treat it like rent. Your future is built by what you automate, not by what you promise. Quick check. Are you broke by the 20th because of spending or debit orders? Comment spend or debit because that tells me what to fix next. Now that payday is controlled, where do you start next in South Africa? Move number 2. Tax-free savings account first. Most beginners start investing like shopping. Random shares, random apps, random hype. Then tax season hits and they are shocked. Wait, SARS must also eat? And here's the problem. Your money can grow, but the structure decides how much you keep. So move 2 is simple. Start with a clean lane first. TFSA is a wrapper, like packaging your money properly so growth isn't leaking through extra tax. Business view. Fees and tax are expenses and expenses kill profits. So the goal is simple. Grow money in a structure that doesn't donate unnecessarily. Here's the ladder. Step 1, TFSA with a simple ETF. Step 2, consistency. Step 3, only then you explore other stuff because a ladder stops you from jumping off the roof and calling it confidence. Your job as a beginner is not variety. Your job is repetition. If your end game is property, this TFSA consistency becomes your deposit discipline because banks don't just check your income, they check behavior. Can you handle a monthly commitment? So when you invest monthly, you are training to be bankable, not just hoping. Tonight, your move is not to pick 10 shares. Your move is to open the right lane. Pick TFSA as your starting wrapper and commit to the monthly habits. Because once the lane is set, investing becomes boring, and boring is what wins. Now let's kill overthinking. Move 3, 2 ETF core. People make investing harder than load shedding schedules. They watch 20 videos, open 3 accounts, buy 7 things, then stop. That's not investing. That's procrastination wearing a suit. Beginner core is 2 buckets, growth and stability. You are building a base that survives emotions. So when headlines scream, your plan doesn't. Because the market doesn't beat most people, their feelings do. If you're investing 500 rand a month, you don't need 10 products. You need a repeatable plan, 2 buckets, automated, every month. The best investment is the one you can stick to when you are tired. Quick rule: if you've got high interest debt, pay that down and build a tiny buffer first, because paying off expensive debt is a guaranteed return. The market can't promise that. Sometimes the smartest investment is removing what's killing you. If you are still fixing income and expenses, tap the playlist up here. How to make extra money on the side. Pick one hustle, make extra cash, then come back. Because investing works best when your system has something to work with. Now, this one is the invisible bill. Move 4, 1% fee rule. Move 4 is the one nobody talks about but quietly steals your money. It doesn't hurt today, only later. And that's why people invest for years and still feel broke. Fees are like a debit order you never agreed to, taken from your future. In business, if costs are high, profit dies. Same thing in investing. So if you want a clean win, start by protecting profits. People fight over 2 rand, then ignore the fees that eat thousands over time. Here's the rule: aim to keep total fees around 1% or less long term. Lower is better. You can't control the market, but you can control fees, structure, and consistency. So, fees is the closest thing to a guaranteed win you will ever get. Smart people don't just earn more, they leak less. Share this and save a friend. If 2 products perform the same, but one charges higher fees, you just paid someone to slow down your future. That's like paying extra petrol to arrive later. Your returns must beat fees because they even start helping you. Now, the next move keeps you safe because South Africa, the streets are busy. Move 5, no scam checklist. In South Africa, scams don't come with warning labels, they come with confidence. Agency, screenshots, my guy energy. And the scam isn't always the product, it's the promise. Here's my 5 filter checklist. Fill 1 filter, you don't negotiate. Guaranteed high returns. Withdrawals blocked. No paperwork. Recruit people. Pressure. If you need to be rushed, it's because the truth doesn't survive questions. If someone says double your money, ask one question: how do I withdraw today? If they dodge or get angry, you already know your answer. Legit money doesn't fear clarity. Now, put it together. Payday Split builds consistency. TFSA gives structure. 2 ETF keeps it simple. Fee rule protects returns. Scam checklist protects capital. That's how you build a deposit fund. And later we turn that deposit into property moves. Investing isn't the destination. It's the engine that funds the asset game. If you want the next step, how to turn this system into a property deposit plan in South Africa, watch this next video right here. Because saving without a destination, it's like filling a taxi that's not going anywhere. Your money needs a mission, and property is a clean mission. And I'm a property guy, so I don't invest for vibes. I invest for buying power. Real talk, if your investing plan can't help you buy assets one day, it's entertainment. Now tell me, what's your starting point? Move 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Comment the number so I know where my audience is stuck and where to go deeper on. Grab my free Money Master PDF and discover the little known strategies that most people overlook. Trust me, you will want to see this. Rich versus stress isn't IQ. It's the system you repeat. Don't let money be loud in your head, but quiet in your life. I'm Ekow. I test real money systems so you don't get played. Be a legacy builder. Let's go build assets.